Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much. So today I'm gonna be unboxing Miniverse Make It Mini Lifestyles. I just love these so much. I don't know, I think they're so cool. So I decided to get more and unbox more. There's so many things I think, like, imagining you can do with these things besides from what they just say you can do. I really like it. It's definitely one of my favorites. Let's see. All right. What do we have here? A vase. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, let's see. Garbage. All right. We'll look through the collector's guide again. Let's see. There's so many. I think this is what we got. Yes, this is. There's so many nice things to get on here. We got this guy. All right, let's open these up. See, hopefully we don't have an issue with the legs today. And here goes my cat again. Comment down below if you guys have cats. Okay. Yes, I think we got it. One more. Yes, we got it. Perfect. This is the first time I've ever actually gotten it so quickly. Those things are so hard to go on. Hopefully they stay on. All right, let's see. Our resin. Yeah. And our face. And my cat's trying to help me. Did they tape this? I think they did. I'm not trying to rip it. There we go. Oh, cat's not giving a chance. Oh, this is nice. So stuffed with that stuff. All right. Just toss this back in here. Yep, I have dogs too, guys. Just comment, let me know if you guys have dogs or cats or both. Are you a dog person or a cat person? All right, let's take these out. I usually save this. I don't know why. I think it's cute and I like it. Okay, there's so much extra glue here. I don't know, is that glue or what is it? I don't know. So how is it supposed to look? Like that, I guess. Okay, with the leaf. All right, so let's see. see how it would fit in here first. They say cut it, guys, but personally I don't. I don't know if you have to. Yeah, I don't usually cut it. I guess you can to get it shorter. I don't know what. I'll just leave it. See how would this work? I guess like that. Or maybe, I don't know. Probably leave this in the back. All right, let's open up the resin. We're gonna fill this up. Oh, we got a cat again. Oops, sorry. Oh, cat's not given a chance today, guys. And this is taking quite a while to come out. I don't know, I feel like they didn't put enough resin. I was trying to fill it all the way to the top. I guess I'm gonna have to work with that. All right, we'll just work with that. Let's put the cap back. Let's see, so I got it filled till about here. I guess that's okay. So let's see. Now these are so, you have to hold them into place to actually dry. So what I'm gonna do, thinking, so I am gonna go dry this really quickly with my nail lamp, guys. I will be right back. All right, guys, so I went ahead, I dried this. I actually got a little more glue and filled it up. And this is the finish. I think it needs a little more drying, but, or maybe it should be good. I think it is. But yeah. What do you guys think? I think it doesn't look bad. I like it. Give me a like if you think this looks good. All right. Let's go move on to another one. See what we got. Oh, we got something bird. Something bird. Yes, we got another bird something. Don't need those. Collector's guide. Let's see. Oh, look what we got. I think we got one of those hanging ones. Where is it? This. Yes, we did. All right, let's see. This is our resin. Yes, it is. It is, what is it? Wing Things Nectar. So I guess it's supposed to be bird feed. Let's see if we get lucky with the feet of this thing. Hopefully. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, oh, we got a click. Know what that means. We got that leg. Now this one. Alright guys, we're not getting this leg. It is not going. It is not going in. All these legs are so frustrating.
5 hours later.
Alright guys, I finally got it. Took me a little time, but I got it. Alright, so we're just going to put this here because I think we're going to be hanging it. Okay, now let's see. Oh, how lovely. Nice. Okay, let's see here. So we got this one. Yeah. So let's see. So I think it's like this. And we have to fill this. And then put it like that. So I'm gonna fill this. And then, so we're gonna fill it. I guess we're supposed to glue the bird on there. Yes. And then fill it, cap it, dry it, and then cap it. All right, so I'm gonna fill it up. All right. So I filled it up. So fill a little more. That should be good. What do you think? That looks about good, right? Actually, you know what? I'm gonna leave that, and I'm going to glue our bird and try it with resin on one of the flowers. Alright guys, so I'm going to go do that with my nail lamp really quickly. Give me 1 second, I'll be back. Alright guys, so I just filled it up until here about. Let's check what bird we got. Exciting. I think it's just one bird for this. Got those little things. I believe they're like nest. Oh, there's the bird. Oh, it's a beautiful bird. Okay, so I'm gonna glue resin this guy and dry him on to one of the flowers like this or something. I don't know, but I'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna go do that really quick guys with my nail lamp. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I went ahead and added resin to the bird's beak, tried it on here, and I dried this as well, but I don't think it's dry all the way. The top is. It's gotten hard, but if you look in there, there's a bubble and it's moving around, so I might have to re-dry that. But for now, I'll just gonna assemble it, put it on how it's supposed to go. Let's see. Okay, and hook it on here. I don't think we need the back piece. Alright guys, so it's like literally enough space to just not touch the bottom. So this is the finish. It's pretty cute. I like it. It's nice. Right. So far we got two nice things. Let's move on to the last. The bird gave me a hard time though. He was just not holding in place, so I had to like hold it with both my hands to get him to dry. I put resin on the beak and I dried it onto one of the flowers. So that took me. What do we have? Another flower. Oh, I see something that we never got that I'm excited about. Let's see. Which one is it? Is it this? No. Or might it be? Actually, I'm not sure. Can this be it? Alright, let's see. Let's open up our stuff. Resin. Oh yes, that is it. Alright guys, this is it. Pretty cool. And you got a handle. I'm gonna save that. So I guess we put the handle on after. Let me just throw these. Actually, you know what? I'll worry about the legs later. Alright, so this is what we got right here. So we're gonna fill them. Let's take our flowers out. Okay. Let's see. I might have to cut these. I think I will. Don't need that. Let's see. that looks good. Perfect. Okay, and last but not least, let's see, this one looks shorter. Not too much, but okay, so that's that. All right, let's see. Tape got stuck there. All right. Let's fill these guys up. Oh, I think I did a little too much there, possibly. I think it should be okay. Hope it's okay. Okay, and the last one. All right. All right, guys, I'm gonna go dry these really quickly on my nail lamp. I will be right back. All right, guys, so I went ahead and I dried them, and I think they look pretty cool. They're all dried. I dried these well. Yep, they're well dried. All right, now let's see how we're gonna get them in here. Is there a front and I don't think there is. All right. So I guess there's, let's see, fit them in here. And the last one, I don't know. All right, I guess that works. What do you think? Yeah? What do you guys think? Not bad. So guys, I hope you liked this video, and I hope you enjoyed the Make It lifestyles I did today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys, and please leave a comment. I would love to communicate with you guys. Let me know what you think, your thoughts on what I'm doing and how I'm doing, what you guys would like to see. Until next time, and also let me know if you guys want me to do more no talking videos. I do enjoy talking with you guys, but I also enjoy the no talking videos as well, because I know some of you really enjoy those. But yeah, let me know. Until next time, guys, thank you so much. Bye for now.